video, I'm going to show you about how to see a largest company in Switzerland. Okay, now here is heat map. Okay, you can see all the details about the companies in Switzerland. And here also, here are both stock heat map and screener. Okay, now when you just click over here, you can see all the details about this. Okay, so okay, and you can use all the chart also routes holding. Now see here, when I use heat map, all the heat map also can be seen here. Just click here. No artist can be seen here. USBG also, UBSG also, then Nestle also. Just click here, then so you can see all the details, information about stock ABBN also. So hope all of you have understood about this. And if you want much more information, then try to comment on our comment section, and we will try you a better response, and we'll try to reach out as soon as possible. Okay, have a great day.